All right, so today we're going to get into Module 6. Module 6 will be all this week, so we'll have two different class sessions covering this material. Today I want to get into some of the ideas about image processing because that's what we're going to be focusing on in Module 16 is how do we alter or edit images using Python scripting. So we'll be using a library called Pillow. Pillow is based on the letters PIL, which stands for Python Image Library. It's not the only way to edit images in Python, but it is probably the most commonly used. So you might find other libraries out there that you like better or that are easier or whatever, but Pillow is very common, and so we're going to start there. And so image processing requires that we understand a little bit about how images are put together. So we're going to start with some background information, then we'll talk a little bit more specifically about the things you can do with Pillow. We'll get into some basic Pillow usage today, and I'll leave you with some things to try out. We don't have a sandbox for this module, but I'll leave you with some things to try out between now and next time. And then in our next part of the class, we will pick up some more advanced usage of Pillow and a few more advanced concepts before we get into the project for Module 16, which is going to be an image editing app. So you're basically going to have an app that allows you to open an image on your computer, make changes to it, and then save it. So that's where we're headed. And so let's get into images